All right, TSL, Gus Gonzalez from class number 16. I'm going to be running the 5x5 Handgun Skills Test as required on the Sharpshooter Badge. So I got 10 yards behind me, 3 targets. I'll be shooting the target in the middle. All right, so that was the test. First time I'm running it, and it's pretty interesting how it is to shoot in the cold. It's like your hands are all messed up. 1697 was total time. I don't know if you can see that or not. 25 shots, 1697. But remember, we still have some penalties. So let's go down to the target and see how many penalties I got. And again, the time for the Sharpshooter Badge is 41 seconds with penalties. So again, 1697, let's just call it 17. And we're gonna go and add the penalties. So let's give it a shot. All right. Okay, so here's the target. You can see the A zone or the alpha zone is between these those dots. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that was my headshot. So I guess 9 total shots outside the alpha zone. That is a total of 4.5 seconds, which again, if you add it to the 17 seconds total time, is 21.5, which is under the time required for the Sharpshooter Badge. So that's the test, 5x5 handgun skills. I still have this target right here pristine, so I think I'm gonna reload and do it again and see if we can get better than 21.5. Thanks for watching.